Hello everybody, it's a new day and a new episode. I got some stuff in my mail today. I ordered from some other countries, mostly in Europe, in that area. And I also went to the hardware store to buy some dog bones and such stuff. I can't say that. Such things. Yeah. And so let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so we got some stuff here. I got this is what I got in the mail. That's the water temperature there, and that's oil pressure. So water temperature and oil pressure. I got some battery connectors there, and I got some of this stuff here for connecting to this one. Yeah, so that's what I got there. I also got some millimeter stuff there. That's something called M10 there, and that's something called M8. That's 100 in there and 100 in there. This is dog bones. Yeah, I like dog bones. This is the round ones. This is the flat ones. This is also round ones. I also got control lamps. This one is blue, obviously, and this one is red. I got the stepper drill. I got this one from Germany. Yeah, I like Germany. That's very good. I got this one also from Germany. This is exhaust gasket there. This is what I need because I'm going to build some stuff there. I got a switch. That's a toggle switch there, on and off. I got two of those two. A red control lamp, and I got a start button there. I also got some fuel line here, 8 millimeter. So that's pretty good, and a clutch wire. I bought this from Germany as well. Obviously it's made in Italy, it says, but yeah, that's what it is. So this is pretty much what I need for now. I'm sure I forgot something. This is what I bought in the hardware store. So all the other stuff is what I got in the mail today. No, I bought this as well in the hardware store there. I don't know where those are made. Maybe I don't know where they are made. Oops, uh-oh. Seems to be made in, yeah, China maybe. I don't know. Well, anyway, I ordered them online, very cheap. So yeah, this gives me a total of perhaps I'd say around 400 bucks maybe. Yeah, that's what it is. 400 bucks. Yeah. I hope I can do some stuff now. I don't have anything to mount this one in, so I will do it very redneck style now. Because when the car is more ready, I will put in the dashboard again, and I will use the dashboard. So this will be very redneck now when try to just to test drive the car. So yeah, so let's go ahead and fill up my little box here with the dog bones and such stuff, such things I mean. So yeah, that's what it is. So I filled up the box here. This is what are most common dog bones, those ones, and those one here, and those ones right here. So that's what I got. I don't use very much other stuff there. Well, there is a lot of stuff that isn't filled up here, but I will take it from time to time to fill up. This is what I need right now, so that's pretty good. So I need to make some kind of control panel here. Perhaps cut a little piece out of this aluminum here. Maybe I could use a bigger piece here and perhaps drill some holes, small holes just around it, and use a file to get it straight there. Well, a circle. Maybe that's a good idea. Perhaps I could fold this one a little bit so I can fasten it somewhere. Well, I see. I have to think about something. Cut a little piece out of this one. Take out a little piece out of this one here, so I have space for my buttons and such things there. So when I've done that and fastened it in the car, it's about time for rewiring all this stuff here, so I know for sure it works. Yeah. So I got my drill press here. So I'm just about to drill some small holes just around here. This is just temporary, of course. I will, as I said before, I will put in the dashboard later on, but this is just for now. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put in a good drill here and drill some holes. Oh well, I know it looks like horseshit. Well, anyway, this is just temporary. So I will try to take this one away now and perhaps use some file thing on my drill or something to file it around here and see if this son of a bitch fits in there. We'll do exactly the same on this one. So yeah. So this one, well, fits perfect. Just perfect. Perfect in there. So it will be something like that. Yeah. That's cool. That's very cool. So I'll go ahead and do the other one. Oh well, I know it looks like shit, but it's not how it looks that counts. It's that it works. So on this plate here of aluminum, I can get all the stuff I need to get some cables sorted out and all that kind of stuff. So what I will do now is to drill some holes right here and the same on where it's supposed to be in the car. So I'm about to do that right now. And by the way, this is the stuff that I'm going to use in there, and also those two there. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready now with my temporary control panel. So let's have a look at it. Dunno. Yeah, that's only what I need right now. This is for the cooling fan. This one right there is lighting up when the cooling fan is on, so I know when it's on. That one right there is the charging lamp there, the lamp that shows that the alternator giving power and it's all good. This one should be lighting up when the ignition is on. That one is the start button. That one right there is the oil pressure. That one right there is the temperature for the cooling water, the cooling liquid, I should say. So that's pretty much just temporary now. That's what I need to test drive the car. So I'm happy with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and deal with the electronics now and rewire a lot of stuff here and make sure it's all good. So yeah, and by the way, those are very exclusive. They lights up when you turn on the power. So yeah, I'll be back soon. So I need to place this one somewhere as well. So let's go ahead and open this one up. This is the typical sound from an unboxing. That's what it sounds like on all those unboxing videos you can see on YouTube. Come on, goddammit. What the hell? There we go. So where I'm about to place this one, this is the main power there. I need to find a place where I can fasten this one. So I'll go ahead and do that, and yeah, I'll be back in a little while. So all the wires, well, almost all the wires are gonna run in this one here, also this one, so it will not be as much wires like this. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit so it looks better. So I think it's a lot better to have the wires in this tube here. I think it's better. So I'm a redneck. Yeah, this is what you can do if you don't have something to tighten this one up with. You put this one right in there. You use this one to press it in, so there will be very tight right there. So yeah, I hope that will be good. Yeah. So that's the way you do it. You press a little more there, and then you take a new grip and put it right there. So I think it will be all good. Yeah. So this takes a long time. I done that one there, and decided for now to have the battery right here. So I hooked up the cable there. The cable is in this shield here, so that's good. What I did also, I wired up this one here. I have a cable in there, in the chassis to the battery. Then I have, oh, it's kind of dark under there. As you can see here, I hooked up the cables, and this one goes just out right there. Well, not in this hole, in another hole right there. So that's kind of good. So I guess now it's time to disconnect all this stuff here and do it the right way and connect all the things right there. It's kind of late now, so we'll see. So I did some stuff here. Take some time this. Mounted that one there. That will work like a hub, so I can take power from there. Of course, when this one is shut off, there will be no power here, and when this one is powered on, there will be power there. So this is the main switch right there. When disconnecting that one, there is no power anywhere. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Several things right here needs power, so that's why I mounted that hub there. I like to call that a hub because I think it is. So I guess it's about time to connect all the stuff right there that needs direct power and hook them up to that one. So this is pretty much how far I would take this today. It's very late now. It's about I think it's about 10 PM or so. I've been out here for like 13-14 hours now, so I have all the wires in this kind of stuff here. I will tape this one up as well. I connected the starter, I connected the charging lamp, I connected the cables to my hub here. So this one is loose now. I also hooked up some cables here through the rubber stuff there. So later on this one will be fastened under here. So that's pretty much what I've done so far. You can see I hooked up the cables there. So yeah, it's about time to go inside and get some sleep now. This is not the end of this episode, but it's the end of this day. So see you tomorrow. Bye. It's a new day. It's about 12 hours later now. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into the electronics again to see if I can get it fixed. Yeah. This sucks. This is the water sensor that was on the car before. This is the new one. That doesn't obviously, see, it doesn't really fit there. So I guess they made some kind of adapter there. But that one's too big. No, that doesn't fit in there. So I have no idea how to solve this. This one is supposed to be there. Oops. So I don't know. This one here is too big. I can't use this one because that will be wrong. So maybe I have to make my own adapter kinda thing. I don't know how, but I will try to. So what I did here is that I did some changes here. For now I have the battery right here. There's the ground there, hooked up to the battery. and of course I have a ground from the engine as well to the chassis there. This was an issue before. I don't know if it's still an issue. I have all the wires here in this kind of stuff. So when cranking the engine, pushing the button, the crank button, start button, it's supposed to be power on this one. Yeah, it's supposed to be power on this one, and as soon as I let go of the power button, the crank button, there is no power on this one, but power on this one. But something I'm not sure about is when I'm cranking the engine, it's supposed to be power here. I wonder if there is supposed to be no power here then. I'm not really sure about that. So I hope this will not be hot anymore, because that will be a pain in the ass. I don't know what's wrong with it, but and so I'm pretty much done here with the most important stuff there. I didn't manage to make some. I can't get those ones to work. I have to wait a few days for that, but maybe I will put the exhaust on and the radiator and that kind of stuff. But let's go inside the car and see. I have this one right here, and all the power to everything on the control panel here is taken from that one there, and this is the incoming power there, and that's from that one. So let's go ahead and put this one on here. Yeah, that's the charging lamp there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I built the exhaust here. That wasn't very easy. Several right there. I have to angle it so it fits perfectly to the BMW. This is BMW actually. This is Volvo, and from here BMW. I have to angle this one a little bit, so I did a triangle there and bent it a little bit. So let's go ahead and mount this one to the car, see if it fits. This is perfect. I have to take away the old gasket there as well. So I need to put in the new gasket there. That's going to be right there. So let's go ahead and put up the exhaust there. The exhaust is in its place now. I don't know if you can see this, but you can see there it's running. I bolted it right there to the BMW engine mount. No, not engine mount, I mean exhaust mount. So what I'm going to do now is to hook up the fuel to the fuel pump, and I'm actually going to try to start this one before mounting the radiator and everything, so I see it works. So yeah, just a quick overview before I try to start it. I have this hooked up here, it's grounded. Got ground to the chassis there, ground to the engine. I plugged this one here. I have the choke. I have the most important cables here. Let's go inside and see. So I fastened the choke here, got the power, yeah, it's clicking there in the stuff, son of a bitch there. Okay, so I think I'm ready to go. Throttle, pedal, yep. It's all working, it seems to. So this is gonna be the second start. Perhaps it will be much more silent now when I have the exhaust. So let me put the camera on the tripod and get ready for the start number 2. Okay, I'm ready for starting now. Let's go ahead and try it. Yeah, that's what it is. I got some problems right here. I'm gonna fix it, at least. It's very much silent now, so this test start is pretty good. It's not loud at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's wrong with the cables here. And I'll get back. I have been looking here now. This resistor here is supposed to be somewhere between 1.5 and 2.0 ohms. If it's supposed, that's what it has to be. So I checked this one with my multimeter, and this one is 1.8. So I guess this one is fine, nothing wrong with it. But why the hell does it get overheated? I don't know. And the engine doesn't seems to, I can't really, you know, seems like spark plugs or something misfire. I don't know. Maybe there is something with the electronic that isn't very good. I have no idea. Yeah, so I'm beginning to put some pieces together here. It's been a while since it looked this way. I discovered I'm using the BMW radiator, and I discovered that it has, I could actually use my temperature sensor. So that's great news. That means I can connect my stuff there. Anyway, I need to cut off those ones a little bit. I will connect the electronics to for the fan. You see the connector right down there. So I can hook it up to the switch that you can see right there. So the fan will be running all the time the engine is going, for safety precautions. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I bypassed this resistor here, so now I got 12 volts directly to this one here. That's not very good, because this one takes in 12 volts and put out about 9. So if I'm looking forward a little bit, maybe this one will break. The engine I don't know much about now, but I will do one more test start in a few more seconds. Yeah, so this one is a little bit too long. I can't really shorten it off because they are bigger on the ends here. Anyway, I think maybe this will do it anyway. I think that will be good. This one fitted just perfect. That's the BMW, and that one as well. So, and that's a Volvo engine. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. And so I cut it off the bolts there, so it's all perfect. I tested the electronics for the fan and it works just great. So there is actually 2 speed, but I will only use the fastest speed there. So yeah, I actually think, yeah, what am I thinking? What am I going to do now? I think I'm going to make a little switch for when turning the power off. The engine wouldn't stop, so I need a switch for the B+ cable, and that one is just down there. There you got it. That's the B+ there. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. And oh, also I need to do something with those 2 there. I can't really plug them. I need to get it a loop. That's what I need. So I've done pretty much. I've done a lot of stuff today. Now I have bypassed the things that is supposed to go to the heating system inside, but I don't have any of that, so I just made a loop out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm about to do. It's been another 12-13 hours day today. Maybe it seems that I didn't get a lot done, but the exhaust did take many hours to complete because there was some difficulties. So I did some research with that one. Took me an hour or 2. Well, I'm satisfied with the day so far. So, and this is, I believe, the end of episode 16, I think. Yeah. So it's very late now. I think it's about close to 11 p.m. So this episode contains really 2 days, 2 full days, and it's been, I've been very busy. So at least I started the car at one time. So in the next episode I will continue working with the startup, and you will see another startup with the exhaust and everything. So yeah, hope you enjoyed what you just have watched, the episode 16. Bye!